Welcome back to this session. We're done with majorly the back end aspects, though we're still going to go back there, but now we want to treat the front end, which is looking at how this application is going to display at the front end. So first, this is what we have. When you install WordPress, this is what you get down to this point. So it just tells you this is a dummy. This is a major first sample. So we'll go to the login to admin. I presume you must know a little about WordPress. So we'll be using, so this is admin, and just go straight to theme, appearance, then themes. So we have this tree here, 1, 2, 3. That's the one we have this already here. But I'll be using this theme. You can see the link here. Sunjit Lite. That's it. So you can just click and download here. Once you download it, be free to move it. So once you download, you can open it. Open, and let's copy it into our root directory, which is our theme WP contents, and that's where it gets themes. So in that themes, I'm just going to paste this here, which is the file that I copied. I just paste it in here, and once we're done with that, we can go back to our admin page and then refresh. Once we refresh, you can see it's here. This is the theme we have. All we'll do here, let's activate it. I'll just run us through setting it up. So after activating it, let's go visit it and see how it is. So you can see nothing actually on it. So setting up the theme, I'll just help us out so we'll get to do the setup. So first we'll go back to our themes. I'll go to, let's just create some posts. So we don't have any posts here, so we just create some posts. I'll pause the video and then continue after I've created the post and create okay, so I just did first post, then the content on it, and we look for the feature image. I just need to upload some images in I think we can do this. Let's do this. Let's just upload more images so that we can use them later on. I think I want this, I want this, I want this and this, and okay, I think we're good. So we just have them on our library, what we'll select and use based on the post we want to run. This is just for the first post. Let's use this one, feature image, and then we'll select back to block to this. Let's select what, okay, that's it, publish. Let's publish it. So we can view this now. You can see it. It's the contents of everything. So let's create more, just like 4 more. Yeah. So there's another one. We just add image to it. Let's use this image, and very good. So aside that, so let's view this post and see. Okay, yeah, very good. Go back. You can see now the home page is showing just the pages where you have the content. What we want to do now is to get the home page set. So we go straight back to our dashboard. We go to settings, and then let's create the page first. Add new page. We want to call that page home. What will be inside of it? Let's just use so attributes. this is going to be home. So this theme has a point where they have several templates. So they have the home templates, the full width template, and then a default template. But we're using the home template since we're taking it down to the home. And okay, this is it. Allow comment, not allowing comment, and all that is just, let's just save. So let's view. So you can see, so it just shows you the, if you look at the theme, you can see this is the theme, this is all the content. So also you can read their documentation, but this is what we have now. Let's edit this one, add a picture to this. I don't really like when we then have photos and content. So just bear with me while we're fixing this. Testing WordPress login. Let's add a feature picture. Yeah. So let's go back to home. From home, this is where, from home we have it this way. This is home now. So we'll just go straight back to the dashboard. Let's go to settings and then readings. From readings we get to set it to static page, and we'll select the page in which we want it to be. Then for other posts, post page should be, let's say, sample page. We'll click that later on. So click that, and okay, let me create another page called posts, called events. So that will take the default template. Yeah, let's take it the default template, and let's publish. So when we go back to the admin, we'll go to settings and then reading, and then we'll make this as the post page. 11010 full text, we're fine. If you want to discourage social media, is also here. Now after we've done that, if we go back to our site, we have this is, you can see the home page now is this is the home page, and when you go to other pages to also give you the link. Now we'll go back to theme, customize, so that it takes us to that theme, and then we can customize whatever we want on it. So first is theme social. Let's just enter something here so that it will give us, you can see this Facebook. I just make it Facebook down to the last. You can enter your social media content there, but I just feel like it gives me that nice looking button over there. Slider, we want to take event page. Okay, second slider, maybe sample page. Yeah, third slider, I think that's all. So this sample page is going to be the registration. You'll see when we're doing it, we'll come back in it. Then the mid session, we just getting started. Let's create a category. Let's publish this. We'll come back to it. This is more setting up the theme so that it gets to look very good looking. And let's refresh and see what happens. You can see this is here now, and then we have this part coming up as it is. What we'll do, let's go back to our admin, and then we'll do posts, under posts or posts. Let's create a category. That category, just call it blogs, and this blog will be blog too. And parents, no, none, oh, we're fine. Add category. Yeah, so once we have that, we can go back to all our posts and quickly edit it, add it to blog, save it, and also edit this one, add to blog, save it, and edit this one too, quick edit, and add it to blog, and then we'll save. Once we're done with that, we can come back to appearance, customize, and we go to, let's go to mid session. Let's take this as blog, so only blog will display. You can see the blog displaying here. Yeah, so that's it. The blog session. Yeah, so blog 2 test post. Pause this. Okay, back. So what we just did, we created a page and added it as this service, and also event registration. Those are the two that display on the slider. So if you want to make it 3, you're fine, you're good to go, you can do that. But what we'll just do is we're done with all these parts. Yeah, so we'll go straight to site identity and then say so we just say hearing people. I think this is fine. So we have this to display. So that's it. So we have this home set, this page set, and majorly we'll go straight to we've done the site part where you just put in something. If you want a logo, fine, but we don't need a logo here. The header part, okay, we need slight image on the header part. Let's use this as it, and then we can crop it a little and then just make it to this point. Yeah, maybe this might be too much. Okay, so we're good. We'll crop. That's all we have here. We'll go back, we check the background. We don't need the background here. We'll menu. Yeah, we need menu. We need menu to pick from. We need menu to pick from main. Let's call it main menu. Pick from primary menu, and then we're good. Automatically adds to top level if you want to. So we'll leave it that way. Just leave it. Let's go back to widgets, footer. So we're using for footer add widgets. We're not doing all this. You can just go through theming later on, but that's basically it. It's basically it. So we'll save, publish. Once we've done the publish, all we need to do, we just exit this and see how it displays. So let's see how it displays. Yeah, so we have content sets. I'll check this why it is not showing properly. Hopefully, okay, let's just look at that, why the name is not showing properly. Maybe we'll just edit the name. This is a nice logo, isn't it? So and let's refresh. So see how it's there. Okay, so we just continue. This is the home page where I have this, we have the content, we have this part. and I think we're good to go. So next we're going to look at how to enter our short code. Thank you very much for your time.